Hello everyone. I will give you the best strategy trading with expert option. See my amazing result with almost 90% winning rate. There will be the best time to trade with the market, and to fulfill the strategy that we will be using. See my previous trades on how I conquer the best result, and profitable entry. Please trade on what you can afford to lose. Practice first before trading on a real account. Only few people know on how to get profitable entry. Some traders use their trading perspective and knowledge. Some are using trading indicators, just like what we are going to be using this strategy. Before that, we will be using the MT2 4 platform, or simply called MT4. I will demonstrate to you on how to use the MT2 and our RSI signal indicator. First, we must attach the RSI signal indicator to the MT2 4. Then simply wait for the signal to be pop up, with bell sounds. The RSI signal that we will be using is good for short entry signal. It means that we will trade with less expiration time. Be sure to set the time frame into 1 minute. Never trade before and after the news. You can learn more on Baby Pips or Investopedia if you are new into trading. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get latest updates and strategies trading expert option and other trading broker online.